Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Baarden, coming right up after the intro. So a couple of weeks ago I reached out to Baarden asking if they would be willing to send me some products. They gave me a very nice discount code to try out some of their products. I really like the sound of the frankincense products, so I purchased, if I remember correctly, an oil, a balm, and a beard wash or something. But they told me that they sent me a little surprise in here as well. So let's see what that surprise is. So I'm gonna take my trusty steak knife here and probably fast forward through a lot of this cutting here for you guys. Okay, so now that I've completely annihilated this box, we can give it an open. So this is the presentation there. It's got a nice little card that says, "Thank you. If you've enjoyed your purchase, please make sure to follow and tag use @thebaarden to let us know." Oh, okay, wow, there's a nice little custom note here. I'll read this to you guys. So it says, "Mick, thanks so much for your purchase and your interest in my company. It means a lot to me as a small business owner. I've included an extra beard wash in your order as I thought it would be a shame for you to only have 3 of my 4 products. I truly hope you enjoy it all and can't wait to hear what you think. Beard your best, Adam." That's an awesome personalized note. I'm definitely gonna keep this. So yeah, this is great. The nice thing with this company is they are small batch. So when I reached out to Adam, I placed my order. I let him know that I placed the order. The next morning he started on the process for me. Once he started the process, I mean the shipping was within Canada. I also live in Canada, but it only took about 3 to 5 days to get here, which is pretty cool. So we got a bunch of this stuff over here, and so that's the presentation right there for that. So let's see what was sent out here. So we've got beard butter, frankincense, and sandalwood. So this is the stuff that when I had a read of the scent profile on the website, I thought, this would be a really cool one to try out. So the ingredients that they have on here is shea butter, cocoa seed butter, jojoba seed oil, sweet almond oil, beeswax, and some fragrance. So that's the balm. I'm just going to give that a smell here. Okay, so it's actually very light. It doesn't come on very strong. There's times when you open up a product and it kind of hits you right away. This is not one of those. And for consistency, the balm, it does come out on the fingernail quite easily. And it does have a bit of a coarse texture to it. I'm actually going to put a little bit in beard. It does have a bit of a coarse texture to it, but as soon as it emulsifies in your hand, it doesn't leave any clumps or anything like that. So that's nice. Then the other product here is the beard oil that I ordered. This is also the frankincense and sandalwood. I'm just going to have a quick look at the ingredients. Yeah, it's pretty much the same ingredients as the balm, except of course you don't have beeswax in there. So I'm just going to give that a smell and see if it's actually just as strong or the same strength as the balm. So yeah, again, this is more of a lighter scent. It's not something that's gonna hit you hard and then just kind of slowly dissolve throughout the day. I'm gonna definitely try these products for a week and then do a full review to see how long the scents kind of last in beard. But just from first impression, it seems like these are the type of scents that aren't going to last in your beard forever, and you're probably purchasing these oils more for the quality. Now, speaking of quality, I just want to check out, see if this is more of a lighter, thicker, medium weight oil. Okay, so this is definitely more on the medium to light medium weight oil. I'm going to put a little bit of that in the beard too. I'm going to have so much beard product in my beard now. Okay, and the oil does come in a little bit stronger, like once you put it into the beard. I don't know if that's like my own, like, you know how what are they called, pheromones, like whenever you mix your own skin with an oil or a fragrance, it smells kind of different on everyone. So I think this, whatever I have, is bringing out the scent a little bit more in my beard. So actually this is quite nice. I really like this frankincense and sandalwood. And yeah, now that I'm smelling it again, now that it's on my hand versus smelling it in the bottle, it definitely comes through a lot stronger than originally in the bottle, so that's kind of cool. The next product here is a beard wash. So this is another one that I'll have to review. A fellow reviewer over at Beards and Banjos recently reviewed this one, and he seemed to really like it, so I'm very excited to try this out myself and you know, see how I feel about it. So stay tuned for a review on that. And then this last one is an upcoming scent tester. So you can see there's no information at all on what the scent profile is and what's in here. I did talk to Adam about this because, you know, I don't like stepping on people's toes. So, you know, I asked him, you know, what how much can I give away in terms of what the scent profile is here. He did actually give me all the ingredients. The scent profile, he told me what to expect. So he did give me 3 or 4 of the essential oil ingredients that are in here. So let's just give it a smell. Okay. Yeah, so this is, oh wow. It's like every time I smell it, it just smells a little bit better and better. Okay, so it definitely smells exactly like what he told me that it would smell like. Out of respect to Adam, I'm not I'm not gonna tell you guys what it smells like because it smells exactly like the ingredients that he told me. But let's just say it's a little bit of a warmer, deeper toned scent. It definitely smells like something that's going to be longer lasting, and not quite a cologne-y scent, but starting to kind of go towards that, you know, cologne type scent spectrum in terms of beard oil scents. So that's it for Baarden. I'm super excited to try out these products for next week and do some reviews for you guys. I also want to let you guys know that I'm going to start live streaming with a couple gents that are part of this kind of beard review community. So I've got Beards and Banjos on board, I've got Mr. Beardtastic, and I've got the Urban Hussar, Mr. Kaz Veselka himself. So we're going to do our first live stream on June 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. Would love it if you guys could join us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.